Crude oil has reached the 60s, as I talked about on Sunday's crude oil analysis. Let's give you an update here on what the market is doing. Again, congratulations to all of you who have been selling crude oil, both inside of our private community and those of you that took action on the levels that we provided. We talked about 69, we talked about 68. So the question is, where is crude oil going to possibly pick up a floor? And again, we talked about on Sunday, we could likely see 66.50. Okay, we could likely see somewhere around 66.50. Now, if you look down at the bottom of the scroll, again, there are some talks about some sanctions that are going to be placed on Russia, and many today believe that that was going to cause crude oil to spike up. But again, you really do need to pay attention to the fundamentals. But the price action has continued to let us know that crude oil structure, as we have been talking about for the last month and a half, has been a bearish structure, right? We just continue to drop down and not make those higher highs along the way. So the question is, where and what is going to be the floor for crude oil? So we have reached that first destination, which was about that 68.50 area here. Now, if you look right here, okay, we did get a bounce there before, and I am sitting on the daily chart of the current light crude oil futures chart. So we really do need to wait to see where price is going to go for the rest of today. If we get a candle, if this daily candle today closes, okay, and we'll make it red, if we close below this 68, I'm going to call it 68, 40-ish area, okay, then we are going to go back down to retest this low right here, as we've been talking about, at around 66.50 to 67. Okay. If for whatever reason crude oil does not close a daily, then we can possibly head back over to a 4-hour chart, okay, and see and wait for a possible bullish engulfing candle. We would need to break this structure. I'm going to give you the structure right here. Okay. We would need to break somewhere above 69.91 to really say that we are going to go right back up into the 70s. Okay. Until we don't break and close this structure point right here. I'm going to make this yellow. Okay. Then we are still bearish on crude oil. Okay. You continue bearish. So what you could see play out on the smaller time frames is maybe a bounce back up into some liquidity. Okay. And then maybe a bounce back down. We shall see. This 70 area, so this is 69.91. This 70 area is going to be critical. Okay, now they have left liquidity here that at some point they're going to come back up to grab. But in the meantime, this is really your play right here. Letting today's candle decide what it's going to do. It could retrace all the way up, and then you know that we're going to at least come back up to the 70 price point. But if this daily candle closes below 68.40, then we can expect crude oil to continue possibly going right back down to that 67 to 66.50 area. Okay, I hope you got some value. Again, please follow structure. If you need help, if you need guidance, we do that daily inside of our trading club. Head over to the website above. We would love to see you there. But if anything, hit the like button for me. Hit subscribe. Keep following what I'm doing with crude oil. I've been studying it for a lot, and we work off structure, and we give you great advice on what to do. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.